Howdy, people. Welcome to a live video from Sim Racing with Michael. It's my other channel. This is actually my biggest channel. I created it a long time ago on when I'm having voices, and I had two voices in my head that kind of tormented me. But one tormented me, but his son was pretty good to me. Um, the person who tormented me was a guy named Emperor Two, and I don't know if he was a second emperor or just I gave him as that his name, and his son, Junior. I ended up spending some money I didn't have with loans and stuff to buy a sim racing wheel and equipment, and I was doing that with Michael Goldie Live, michaelgoldie.live or Michael Goldie Live YouTube channel, and I had it, and I was doing it also on Twitch. Anyway, um, I was playing different games. My most um, interesting game I have to this date is of course, at Evo. It's a pretty cool game. This is the beta version of it. Um, it's EA 013 release. New features multiplayer. Multiplayer is really cool. It just came out. Um, update evolution behavior update components, augmented audio features, new multifunctional displays, 1000 hertz dampening algorithm, graphics, optimization, UI improvements, cameras, cars, race tracks, miscellaneous. Anyway, um, it's an awesome game. I bought it on Humble Bundle actually. I don't know if they still sell it on Humble Bundle, but if you do, when you buy a game on Humble Bundle, where the game goes to a charity. There's a lot of good charities on Humble Bundle. I love the charity Kids Play. I met them at a IGN event in Los Angeles. I was lucky enough to go to. I alone. I um, could barely afford it, and I somehow went to it. I met some neat people, sent some emails, and I created a new channel. Um, Spaces Game Reviews, or I think it's called that. Um, and I interviewed some people who develop games and different gaming things. Check that out. There's a link to it on spacesbox.com on the donation request list. There's also a link if you click on Spacesbox more links on the bottom. There's a link on who me me Michael Goldie. Anyway, I'm gonna try to see if this will work. I've been having some problems with force feedback with my wheel. It's a G um um anyway, and it's a Logitech wheel. I tried to apply for their influencer program, but never heard back. They're a pretty good company, Logitech. There's also Moza, and there's also very different races wheels. I've also tried to start a request. If you go to my more links, you can click on more links. I've been trying to get J2 Cents and Minus Tech Tips and some other people to try to help me get sim racing equipment and flight sim equipment and other equipment on um, the cloud gaming, like NVIDIA Now or Xbox Live Gaming or PlayStation um, Cloud Gaming. Or I did get a response from one company. They're on there. I think it was Spear. No, I might be wrong on the name. Or anyway, anyway, they're listed. They said that they do support it. I don't know. They said that you have to have low pings to be able to do it. Um, I haven't been able to test. I don't have the money to actually buy that service. I do have Xbox Live Gaming. Um, it has career mode and then open mode. Career mode, you usually go through trials and tributes and try to learn how to be a career driver. And open mode is you just race against whoever you want to, or you do whatever you want. You can collect whatever cars you want. I'm going to go into open mode now. I am disabled. I hear voices and I have disability. I have problems with my voices. I can feel things, hear things, and it's kind of difficult to live sometimes. I have a lot of pain sometimes. I've been on 8 different meds. I've fought different things. Um, this is we're gonna try to see if we can get the multiplayer working today. I don't know if it will work. It's a new version. Do serverless. See if there's anybody playing tonight. Okay, we have 13 on this one. And the, looks like trying to figure out what type of car they want. Excuse me. Looks like this maybe is the car they want. I'm going to try to join it. This is loading. When it's loading, I'll go ahead and throw. Please check out my affiliate links below. Please check out my Patreon. See Michael Goldie. Please check out spacesbox.com. Please check out spacesbox.com. Charities I hope you support. Please check out on charities I hope you support. I'm procrastinating this on Veterans Day, so there's a lot of veterans charities on that. Check them out. Check out VR with Michael. Check out michaelgoldie.live. Check out simracingwithmichael.com. That's where most of the sim racing is going to be at. I can create websites, do tech services through spacesbox.com. My social media is basically only on Spacesbox LLC. Um, I haven't made really any money at any of this stuff. Looks like my game went down, so I'm gonna have to have technical difficulties. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get going again.